Welcome to English Club with Mindful Master. This time lesson, we are going to talk about how to correctly use prepositions of time. On, at, in. There are two kinds of prepositions. Prepositions of time and prepositions of place. But in this video, we are discussing about prepositions of time. Please prepare your pencil or pen and a notebook. Are you ready? Let's get started. When to use on. We use on when we want to talk about the days and the dates. We use at when we want to talk about clock time, perfect of time. Preposition in when we want to talk about years, months, and seasons. Okay, now let's try to solve 10 exercises and learn to use the correct preposition. Number 1, blank 1985. This refers to year. So, what is the correct preposition? Very good. In 1985. 2, blank December. What does this refer to? It refers to month. So, what is the correct preposition? Excellent. In December. 3, blank the 2nd of June. Does it refer to month or date? If your answer is date, that's correct. The correct preposition for this is on the 2nd of June. Number 4, blank summer of 2009. Does this refer to year or season? If your answer is season, that's correct. So the answer is in summer of 2009. Number 5, blank the 4th of March. This one is as the same as number 3. It talks about the date, not the month. So the correct preposition is on the 4th of March. Let's move on to number 6, blank 6 p.m. What does this refer to? Of course, it refers to time. So, number 6, at 6 p.m. Number 7, blank sunrise. This one refers to perfect a time. Can you try to answer this? What is the correct preposition? Good. At sunrise. Number 8, blank 4 o'clock. Clock refers to time. It's as the same as number 6. So the correct answer is at 4 o'clock. Number 9, blank Sunday. I guess this is quite easy for you. Sunday, of course, it refers to day. So it will be on Sunday. Last one, number 10, blank New Year's Day. What does this talk about? Does it talk about the year or the day? It talks about the day of the year. So number 10 is on New Year's Day. I hope that you clearly understand and know how to use prepositions of time with a perfect score. Now let's put into practice. Please do the following exercise. Each question has 10 seconds. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
There are only two more, numbers 11 and 12. But before you continue, can you please click on the subscribe button? Thank you very much. Okay, let's continue. Numbers 11 and 12.